Your furniture gets a lot of use, and keeping it clean is key to maintaining its beauty and longevity. Let's dive into the essential tips for upholstery cleaning and the best cleaners to keep your furniture looking fresh. First, let's explore the different types of upholstery cleaners. Spot cleaners target stains directly. Foam cleaners create foam that can be applied to the fabric. Liquid cleaners are used with a cloth for overall cleaning. Dry cleaners come in powder form and are vacuumed after use. Most cleaners include ingredients like enzymes to break down organic stains, surfactants to lift dirt and stains, solvents for greasy spots, odor neutralizers to keep your furniture smelling fresh. For a simple DIY cleaner, mix equal parts white vinegar and water. You can also use baking soda to absorb odors. Just remember to test your cleaner on a small, hidden area first. Regular maintenance is key. Vacuum your upholstery regularly to remove dust and debris. Rotate and flip cushions to avoid uneven wear. Stubborn stains? Professional cleaning may be the answer. Steam cleaning is a common method used to deep clean upholstery and get rid of tough stains. Protect your furniture by applying fabric protectors, which prevent spills and stains from penetrating the fabric. And don't forget to clean spills immediately to avoid them setting in. Limit sunlight exposure to prevent your fabric from fading over time. Different fabrics need different care, so always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Be mindful of stains, allergens, and pet hair. Specialized cleaners may be required. Opt for eco-friendly cleaners to protect the environment, and choose methods that conserve water. Upholstery cleaning doesn't have to be complicated. With regular care and the right products, you can keep your furniture looking fresh and lasting longer. Need help? Contact us for professional upholstery cleaning services.